Hi guys, so I recently attended a very close friend's wedding. We've been friends for over a decade and it was so warming to be present between so much love out there. And let's be honest, आजकल काफी weddings हो रही हैं and we all need some wedding outfit ideas. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing all the outfits that I wore at this wedding and hopefully this will help you in getting some wedding outfit ideas. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first outfit that I wore was for the Mehendi function and I picked out a very comfortable sharara set which was paired with a very comfortable off-shoulder cape-like top, and it also had a belt with it that gave it that perfect silhouette to my body shape. This is from the brand called Basanti Ke Kapde, which I think is such a cool name for a brand. It is actually a pretty affordable brand when you compare it to like really high-end designers, and I feel like you can get really nice stuff there, and they have a lot of variety from Indo-Western to completely traditional or bridal. You get everything there. I love the color of this outfit honestly because it was such a Mehendi appropriate color. Print on this outfit is so pretty and so floral and has so many birds on it that I absolutely loved it and fell in love with it the minute I saw it. I paired it with these really simple gold hoop earrings and also wore these nude heels from Kai's store. These are actually so durable. I've had them for a while. Ab thode wear out ho rahe hain, but they're very comfortable and I absolutely love the color because it's so neutral and like it's a beige color. It goes with everything possible. The second outfit, which was for the Haldi function, we got a theme of wearing something yellow. So I picked out the suit from the brand Malmal. Again, a very nice brand. A lot of you might have seen me wear it on Instagram or just generally seen a lot of influencers or people wear it in general. So I picked out a yellow set which had a pink dupatta, and the best part is that they always send you a set of bindi along with it, which I don't have right now, but they do send you a bindi pack with your outfit and a potli as well. So with this suit set, they actually sent me this potli, which is very handy, especially for these wedding functions where you want to carry like your lipstick and just your phone. You don't want to carry your entire bag with it. Now this Malmal suit had really nice embroidery on it, and it also had a little bit of detailing on the sleeves with a little pearls hanging on the sleeves, which I absolutely loved. This outfit would also be great for very intimate family friend gatherings where you need to wear something traditional and not go all out. I paired it with the earrings that I'm actually wearing right now. These I got from Myntra. Very affordable honestly, and I will try to find it and link it down below for you guys. I will also try to link as many outfits as I can that I can find, but you know, honestly you can get a lot of these stitched from scratch if this doesn't come under your budget. I have done a video where I recreated Alia Bhatt's lehenga from scratch, so honestly it's not that tough. Just go to a fabric shop, find a tailor and get it stitched. Give them the design that you want. So you can always take ideas from my videos and get it stitched for yourself. Okay, hold on. If you think you found this video helpful so far, please hit that subscribe button. Now the third outfit was one of my favorites, and this was for the cocktail / Sangeet function. I also did a dance in that function. I'm someone who's not a big dancer. As a kid, I danced a lot. I don't know if you guys have seen my home videos from when I was a kid, but I'm going to show you guys a glimpse out here. So I loved dancing as a kid, but I feel like now I want to get back into the groove of dancing because I feel like I spent my entire 20s just so afraid of not dancing because I thought I wasn't good at it. So I'm also taking like dance classes now. Anyway, I wore this really hot pre-draped sari from this designer called Mansi Manotra. It was pre-draped, which is the life savior because I cannot drape saris to save my life. I haven't learned that yet. So this had a very nice blouse. I know it was slightly deeper from the front, but I was comfortable wearing it. So it really depends on how comfortable you are. You can obviously get the blouse made the way you like it and you feel comfortable in. But the sari overall was very hot. I got so many compliments for it and it fit so well. It also had a little bit of fur detailing on its pallu, which added an extra element to it. I paired it with these maroon heels. I styled it with these earrings and this necklace. Honestly, it elevated the outfit a lot. Now, this was an intercultural wedding. So my friend who is a Sikh and he was marrying a Jain girl. So there were two wedding functions that happened. One was in the Gurudwara and the other one was your Agni Feras. So I wore two different outfits for both the functions. For the Agni Feras, we had a color theme for green. So I picked this lehenga up from Kalki Fashion. Absolutely great brand to shop from. So this lehenga did not have a dupatta, but this had really nice statement sleeves on the blouse. The back was also slightly lace up, so it added a touch of femininity femininity and made you look really, really nice. I love the print on the lehenga. I was a little unsure of how green would look on me because honestly I've never worn a green lehenga before, but it just complemented my skin tone so well and I absolutely loved how it turned out. I paired it with the same jewelry that I wore for the cocktail outfit, but I added this little kada as well. I got this just for, I don't know, like 250-350 rupees from Chandni Chowk, and honestly it is so pretty and definitely worth the money. The jewelry that I showed you guys, by the way, is from a brand called Nohea. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's not real, of course. It is fashion, artificial jewelry. And I will try to link down the Instagram page that I got it from. It was not the cheapest, I'd say, but it was also not very expensive. And the last outfit is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. And this is the one that I wore for the Gurudwara wedding. I obviously haven't attended a lot of Gurudwara weddings. This was literally my first one. And you have to be covered, obviously, which is why I picked this out. And this is also from Malmal. And they gave me a very cute potli with this one as well, which was white in color. This also comes with a dupatta, which I used to cover my head at the Gurudwara, but I feel like otherwise I wouldn't have worn this with a dupatta at all because there's too much going on already. I love the color of it. It has a slight rose gold sheen, but overall it's such a nice pastel pink color, which was also the theme that we were given. Honestly, wedding themes are getting out of hand because everyone wants like specific colors so that you can have the perfect photos. But I guess fair enough, it's your big day. You can choose whatever you want to do. So this was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys got some wedding outfit ideas. I do have some more to share with you, so I will be doing another video really soon, but you guys let me know in the comments down below how you like this video, and I will be doing more of outfit from scratch videos as well because I know that you like watching it and it gives you an idea of how you can actually make really expensive looking outfits for really not so expensive amount of money. So that's it. I'm gonna sign off and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.